Marhaba ya jama'a, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a tour around the house and we're going to learn some house vocabulary. Stick around for the end to hear some example sentences as well. With that said, let's jump right in. House or home. بيت. بيت. The plural form, which is houses or homes, is بيوت. بيوت. Now, another way to say house or home that is a little bit more formal is دار. دار. Apartment. شقة. شقة. Rent. أجار. أجار. Roof. سطح. سطح. Floor or level. طابق. طابق. The plural form, floors or levels, is طوابق. طوابق. Furniture. عفش. عفش. Door. باب. باب. Ceiling. سقف. سقف. Floor or ground. أرض. أرض. Stairs. درج. درج. Next we have window. Let's look at the singular form first. شباك. شباك. Next we have the plural form, windows. شبابيك. شبابيك. Curtain or blind. The singular form is برداي. برداي. The plural form, curtains or blinds. برادي. برادي. Wall. حيط. حيط. The plural form is walls. حيطان. حيطان. Next up, let's talk about some different rooms in the house. Let's first start off with just how to say plain and simply room. أوضة. أوضة. The plural form is rooms. أوض. أوض. Another very common way to say room is غرفة. غرفة. The plural form is rooms. غرف. غرف. There's two different words for living room that we're going to discuss. The first one, some people use it to describe their formal living room where they receive guests, whereas other people use it to just describe a regular living room. This is pronounced salon. Salon. The next word for living room is غرفة القعدة. غرفة القعدة. This is often used for a more informal living room or family living room. In some Arab countries, this is the room where they have cushions on the floor. And this is actually a combination of two words. غرفة means the room of, and القعدة means the sitting. So literally the translation is the room for sitting. Next we have kitchen. مطبخ. مطبخ. This uses the same root letters for the word for cooking, which is طبخ. Bathroom. حمام. حمام. A similar word is used to say that you're taking a shower, which is بتحمم. Next we have bedroom. غرفة النوم. غرفة النوم. This is a combination of two words. غرفة, which is the room of or the room for, and النوم, which is sleeping. So غرفة النوم means the room for sleeping. Office. مكتب. مكتب. Garden. جنينة. جنينة. Now let's take a deeper dive into each room and see what furniture and what items we can find in there. First, we're going to start with living room. Remember, there are two different ways to say living room. The first one is salon. The second way is غرفة القعدة. Let's get started. First up, we have chair, which is كرسي. كرسي. The plural form, chairs. كراسي. كراسي. Carpet. سجادة. سجادة. Light. ضوء. ضوء. Lamp. لمبة. لمبة. Fan. مروحة. مروحة. Air conditioner. مكيف. مكيف. Heater. دفاية. دفاية. Sofa or couch. sofa. Sofa. Another way to say couch is جنباية. جنباية. Television. تلفزيون. تلفزيون. Picture or painting. صورة. صورة. Next, we're going to move into the kitchen, which is مطبخ. First, we have shelf, which is رف. رف. The plural form is shelves. رفوف. رفوف. Table. طاولة. طاولة. If we want to specify a dining table, we could also say طاولة سفرة. طاولة سفرة. This is a combination of two words. The first one is طاولة, which means the table of. Sufra refers to the spread of food or the spread of a meal. So together the two words mean the table for the spread of food. Oven. فرن. فرن. Fridge or freezer. ثلاجة. ثلاجة. Note that in modern standard Arabic, this word usually begins with the letter th instead of the letter th. But in Levantine Arabic, we use the letter th. To refer to just the fridge, a common word is barad. براد. sink. مجلى. مجلى. faucet. حنفية. حنفية. trash can. سطل زبالة. سطل زبالة. This is a combination of two words. The first word is سطل, which means basket or can. The second word is زبالة, which means trash. So the literal meaning is a basket for trash or a can for trash. Dishwasher. جلاية. جلاية. Now we're entering into the bedroom, which is غرفة النوم. First we have bed. تخت. تخت. Another common word for bed is سرير. سرير. Blanket. حرام. حرام. Another common word for blanket is غطا. غطا. This literally means cover. Mattress. فرشة. فرشة. Pillow. مخدة. مخدة. The plural form is pillows. مخدات. مخدات. Closet. خزانة. خزانة. Hanger. علاقة. علاقة. Drawer. The singular version is جرور. جرور. Drawers. The plural version جوارير. جوارير. Now let's step into the bathroom. حمام. Let's see what we can find in here. Bathtub. بانيو. بانيو. Sponge or loofah. ليفة. ليفة. Towel. The singular version is منشفة. منشفة. The plural form is towels. مناشف. مناشف. Mirror. مراية. مراية. Soap. صابون. صابون. Washing machine. غسالة. غسالة. Dryer. نشافة. نشافة. Now let's look at some example sentences using the new vocab we just learned. Let's look at the sentence, the apartment is on the 4th floor. الشقة على الطابق الرابع. الشقة means the apartment. على implies is on. الطابق means the floor or the level. And الرابع means the 4th. الشقة على الطابق الرابع. How much is the rent? قديش الأجار؟ قديش means how much and الأجار means the rent. قديش الأجار؟ Here's a command. turn on the light. ضوي الضوء. ضوي الضوء. ضوي means turn on, and الضوء means the light. A note here is ضوي is used to mean turn on only in the context of a light. If you want to tell someone to turn off the light, you would say طفي الضوء. طفي الضوء. طفي means turn off, and الضوء means the light. The word طفي, which means turn off, doesn't just have to be used in the context of light, as we saw with turn on. Let's hear the sentence one last time. طفي الضوء. The power went out. الكهرباء انقطعت. الكهرباء means the power or the electricity, and انقطعت means went out or was cut off. الكهرباء انقطعت. The fan is on. المروحة شغالة. المروحة means the fan, and شغالة means is on or is working. المروحة شغالة. I need to wipe the table. لازم امسح الطاولة. لازم means I need to or I must. امسح means wipe, and الطاولة means the table. لازم امسح الطاولة. لازم امسح الطاولة. I hung the painting on the wall. علقت الصورة على الحيط. علقت means I hung. الصورة means the painting. على means on. الحيط means the wall. علقت الصورة على الحيط. Let's hear it faster. علقت الصورة على الحيط. The blanket is in the drawer. الحرام بالجرور. الحرام means the blanket, and بالجرور means is in the drawer. الحرام بالجرور. And that's all the household vocabulary we're going to learn today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any video requests, leave them down below in the comments. As always, I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video. مع السلامة.